let us take the very first set of LRDI section. So a new model of mobile named Orange has been launched in the month of April. For the mobile, there are three modes of booking available, right? And the booking can be done only from the April to September. So three different types of bookings were premium bookings, next is normal booking, and one is discounted booking, right? So in the premium booking, the delivery will be done in the same month, but you have to pay 5% extra of the price of the mobile. In normal booking, you don't have to pay any extra amount, but the booking will be delivered in the next month, right? And the discounted booking, you will be given 2% of discount, but the delivery will be done in the next to next month. Okay, so one more condition is given which says that in every month except April, exactly 1/5 of the bookings were normal bookings, right? And I have given a table in which number of bookings and number of deliveries is given. Okay, so in April, I don't know what will be the normal bookings, right? In other months, the normal booking will be 1/5 of all these values. Okay, for the normal booking, this if some mobile phones has been booked under normal booking in April, so they will be delivered in month of May. And in discounted booking, if some mobiles has been booked under the discounted bookings in April, they will be delivered in month of June. Okay, so from that condition only we'll proceed in this set. But there is one problem. First, see, the number of deliveries in the month of April is 0. What does that mean? That the premium booking is 0. Okay, so this 1240 is the booking of the form normal booking and the discounted bookings only. But the one problem is that we don't know what is the number of normal booking and the discounted booking, because except April, other months have the 1/5 of the bookings, but in the month of April I don't know what will be the number of normal and discounted bookings. But I know that the sum of the discounted and normal bookings will be 1240 only, right? So I can't proceed this set from the start. So what should I do? Let us try from the end, right? So consider this 1360. This 1630 contains all the three types of bookings: premium, discounted and normal, right? So the premium discounted bookings will be delivered in the same month, and the normal bookings will be delivered in the month of October, and the discounted bookings will be delivered in the month of November, right? But I have 0 bookings in November and October, so can I say this 765 bookings or deliveries will be of the form discounted bookings only, which were booked in the month of September, right? So from here I will proceed my set, because I know that this is the discounted booking of September, and I know that the 1/5 of 136 is the normal booking, that is 272. Okay, the rest will be premium bookings. Okay, so these premium bookings will be delivered in the same month, so I will get that 1080 contains some number of premium bookings which were equal to the number of bookings in the premium section of month of September, right? So in this way I will calculate the further values backwards. Okay, so let us start solving this set. So let us take bookings at one side and deliveries at other side. Okay, and these bookings are of the form premium, let it be P, normal and discounted. So let us assume the same P, N and D in the delivery section also, such that I can take the value from here to this section easily. Okay, so first write the months: April, May, June, July, August, November, right? So let us make a consolidated table so that each value could be read easily. Okay, so once I will be done with this part, I will solve my questions accordingly, right? Okay then. So except April, all the bookings are done in the 1/5 of the bookings are done under the normal bookings, right? So first I will calculate those values. So in the month I can't write any value here. In the month of May, the number of bookings is 1060. So 1/5 of 1060 will be 212. Similarly, other values will be 164, 180, 220, 272 respectively. And in the month of October and November, there were no bookings, so all three sections will be 0. Right? Similarly, I will write the deliveries happen. So see what I have calculated, that is 765 deliveries which were happened in the month of November will be of the form discounted type bookings done in the month of September, right? So 765 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, and these 765 bookings which were delivered in the November will be booked in the discounted section of bookings of month of September, right? So from here I can calculate the value of premium bookings, which results in 323, right? So these 323 will be the premium bookings delivered in the same month, okay, and this 272 will be delivered in the month of October. Again, the premium is 0, okay, so the rest will be discounted only. And if you calculate the discounted by subtracting 272 from 790, you will get 518, right? Now this 518 will be the deliveries happened in October but booked in month of August under discounted section. So from here you can calculate the premium bookings, which is to be 362. Now these 362 will be delivered in the same month, right? And this 220 under normal section will be delivered in this month, or I should write all these values of normal bookings under this normal delivery section. So 220 will be here, 180 will be here, 164 will be here, and 212 will be here, right? So from here again I can calculate the discounted deliveries which were booked in the month of July, right? So when you add up 323 and 220 and subtract it from the deliveries of September, so you will get 537. So this 537 comes here, and the premium bookings will be 183. This 183 happens in the same month, okay? So you can easily find out the respective deliveries under this section August and July, which comes out to be 538 and 577. So this 538 were booked in month of June, and this 577 were booked in month of May. From here you can easily calculate the premium bookings, right? So premium bookings will be delivered in the same month. So under this section you will get 623. Now this 623 will be the discounted bookings in the month of April. So now I can get my normal bookings, because the premium bookings will be 0, because the deliveries in the April is 0. So premium is 0. So when I subtract 623 from 1240, I will get 617. Okay, so similarly you can fill this part also, because this is the number of normal deliveries which were delivered in month of May or booked in month of April. So from here you can complete the table of bookings and deliveries, right? And in this premium booking you have to pay 5% extra. Discounted you will get 2% discount, and here no change, right? So let's move to the questions. So first question says, for how many months the premium collected was more than discount given? So all I have to calculate is the 5% of these values. All I have to check the 5% of these values and 2% of these values, because discount is what? 2% of these bookings, right? And premium is what? 5% of these values. So you have to only compare the 5% of these values and the 2% of respective values under discounted bookings. So once you will do, see, 5% of 271, that will be 135, around 135, and 2% of this will be 114. So in the month of May the premium is greater than your discount. So another month when you check, you will get August and September also. So there are only 3 months in which this condition happen. So the answer for this question will be option B, right? So next question says, in which month was the number of premium bookings as a percentage of total booking highest? So you can easily check the number of premium bookings as a percentage of total bookings. So you will get that in the month of August, that is 362 upon 1100, that will give you the highest value. Hence the option A is correct. how many Orange mobiles booked in June were delivered in the month of August? Booked in June and delivered in August. So these, see, booked in June and delivered in August, which means 2 months after, that will happen in the discounted bookings only, right? So these 538 mobiles which were booked in the discounted section of June, in the month of June, will be delivered in month of August. So answer for that question will be 538, right? The next is, for how many months did the number of discounted bookings constitute not more than half of the total bookings in that month? So discounted bookings constitute not more than half, means that it should be less than the half of the total. Discounted should be less than half of the total, right? So when you check, you will find that in the month of August, this is value 518, and the total bookings in the August will be 1100. So half of 110 is 550, and 518 is definitely less than 550. And when you check for other values, all other values are greater than the half of the total. So my answer for this question will be 1. Only in the month of August this condition satisfied. Okay, so this is completion of your set.